Good morning, guys. It's almost 10 o'clock, 10, almost 10, 10 बज गए हैं. I'm still at Bhachau. थोड़ा बाइक के नट बोल्ट आई वाज सिटिंग एंड टाइटिंग एवरीवेयर. इंजन क्रैश गार्ड वगैरह सबका टाइट कर दिया एक बार. एंड चेन लूप कल रात को भूल गया था तो वो सब किया तो इतने में एंड देन आई गॉट रेडी एंड ऑल तो बहुत लेट हो गया. सो नाउ आई एम हेडेड टू अ प्लेस कॉल्ड भद्रेश्वर, जहाँ के टेम्पल्स जो मेजर अर्थक्वेक हुआ था लास्ट टाइम उसमें सब डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए थे. उसके बाद आई विल हेड टू माई नानीज गांव, होम टाउन, विलेज. आई विल शो यू द कंडीशन ऑफ आवर विलेज देयर, वहाँ पे कैसा हाल है वो देखेंगे. एंड थोड़ा देन आई विल डू माई टेम्पल रन. आई कॉल दिस टेम्पल रन बिकॉज आई लव टू विजिट all the temples. There's not much difference over there inside. सब में वही भगवान है, लेकिन बाहर उनके आर्टिस्टिक आर्ट वर्क वगैरह देखने को बहुत तसल्ली मिलती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो वो सब देखूंगा, आप लोगों को भी दिखाऊंगा, छोटे छोटे शॉट्स लूँगा जितने टेम्पल्स विजिट कर पाऊँगा वो. तो चलो अभी स्टॉप करता हूँ एंड मिलते हैं आगे जब फर्स्ट लोकेशन पे पहुँच जाता हूँ. अब क्विक व्यू ऑफ दी सॉल्ट फैक्ट्रीज आउट हियर. So this is just outside Bhachau. I always get fascinated by looking at these industries. That's Gandhidham railway station. So when we usually come by train, we get down there and then take a cab from here to go to Kutch and all. You can see how long that train is. It's all truck parking areas. The main entry is over there, the yellow part. And Gandhidham city was on this side. So this is the Bhadreshwar temple premise, and let me show you the temple too. This is the temple. It was at least 8 to 10 times bigger before the earthquake. So saying goodbye to this beautiful temple. Now next I am headed to my grandmother's village, which is Ratadia Ganeshwala. I should be there in approximately 1 hour or so. So guys, I had a sugarcane juice over here, and this guy has done a good R&D. He's running this motor, this sugarcane juicer on this pump, and when he presses this lever, the belt will engage this tire and it will move ahead. Press करो ना आगे, निकल जाओ. And it's going ahead. Nice DIY. This is how the outside of the village is, and the road ahead is again partially broken. It will be like 7-8 kilometers from here, and the main highway is outside. This stay in my grandmother's village, but they're saying it is I have to follow 14 days quarantine process. As soon as I come here, they will have to inform the authorities and they will come and quarantine me. So I cancelled my stay here and I'm going to look out for another place somewhere else. I'm walking past peacocks. So guys, this is my own village, मोटी खाकर. मतलब मेरे जहाँ मेरे एक्चुअल ग्रैंडफादर रहते थे. माय डैड्स डैड, माय पैटर्नल ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स, माय ग्रैंडफादर. सो द विलेज नेम इज मोटी खाकर. इट इज़ नियर भोजपुर, अगेन इन मुंद्रा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. बट द टेम्पल वॉज क्लोज, सो आई कुडंट गो इनसाइड. तो एक फ़ोटो खींच लिया फॉर मेमोरीज एंड नाउ हेडेड बैक आउट. आफ्टरनून टाइम है शायद, इसलिए कोई नहीं है इधर. सो नेक्स्ट आई विल हेड टू माई वाइफ्स विलेज, विच इज़ राना भाड़िया, विच इज़ अराउंड लाइक 15-20 मिनट्स फ्रॉम हियर. So I've entered the village. This is the only general store here. in a public homestay, a sanitary or a guest house, whatever you want to call them. And the Jain temple is behind this building. Which is here and it is locked. Anyways, photo le lenge and then we'll move out from here. I was speeding over here because it was a complete open road, and I ended up with this. Look at this. All washed away in rain. Beautiful. I've never seen so much water filled up over here. So I'm headed by Rawalpindi, another temple. So again, this temple is from my right side. थोड़ा अंदर है. It's almost at the edge of the Gujarat Nagar Mandvi beach. उनका खुद का बीच भी है. Rawalpindi का पीछे there is also a beach. I'll take you guys there too. This is the temple entrance. I have not taken my helmet off here as of now. This is the beach, Rawalpindi beach. Backside. I'll see what exactly will take this like. I see a car over there right now. If a chance mila to we'll go there. Lighthouse up here. I had come here on my TRK once, and it was way too deadly to enter the village. Enter the beach and come out. I was not able to ride at all with the TRK. With this Dominar, at least with the Stimson tires, the car is at least able to, the bike is at least able to come to some extent. Of lifetime. I forgot that it is kind of quicksand and the side stand won't stay inside. So I parked the bike right next to that Tavera and side stand डाला, तो पूरी गाड़ी मेरे आंख पे आ गई. Somehow I lifted it back, it didn't fall, and then I took a turn. So I said I'll find some stone to put the stand on. तो वो घूमते घूमते I came till there, and you can see that patch over there. उस patch में rear tire got stuck. Somehow I was able to push it out and I got it here. अब photos ले लिए, अब निकल रहा हूँ वापस. ज़्यादा कीड़ा करना नहीं है यहाँ पे because this is a lonely place and I don't want to get stuck. So guys, we are entering Bhaunter Jinalaya. It is also called as 72 Jinalaya. One of the quite biggest of temples. Taking a photo in front of the temple, and now let's head back. Stuck between the cows again. So I'm headed to Ramania now, which is my Bua ka gaon. One of her relatives is there, so I'm going to meet her, and then I'm going to hunt for a place where I can get my bike washed. It's way too dirty. मैं वॉशिंग की बात कर रहा था और ये रहा पानी. पानी ही पानी है इधर. It's quite clean. So we are entering the village. Almost all villages to you are going to look identical, and almost all villages at this time around are posing some same deserted look. This is our temple here, and that's the house that I need to visit. So guys, washing center भी नहीं मिला मुझे, and I had to visit one more temple. So the road I was coming out was something else from the last village that I visited, Ramania. So everything got missed out, and finally I'm back at my maternal side का village, which is Ratadiya. So आज का vlog I'll end it here. I hope you liked it. If yes, please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this on my channel for the first time, and hit the bell icon for all updates from me. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen right now from Gujarat.
What am I supposed to do? I'm lonely here without you. All these days are passing by, standing there while you're living your life. I'm broken here alone. Where did I go wrong? Living